Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dojo Setting. I just got some holds in, so we're gonna set with them. So this is a line of holds that I shaped for a company called Catalyst, based in Oregon. These are called the Boletus Crimps. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. I don't come up with the names. I just designed the holds. So it's a pretty nice set of holds. Obviously I'm biased. I shaped them. It is a set of 18 holds. There are 7 smalls. There are 6 mediums. And there are 5 larges. Before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. That's where we do some giveaways and whatnot every once in a while. If you're feeling into it, go check out our Patreon. We got some cool stuff there. Actually, I am doing a full review of these, talking about each individual hold and whatnot. A full review of these for my patrons. So if you want to see that, go check out our Patreon. So all of these, just nice, comfortable radiuses. If you set with them on like dead vertical, you can probably get pretty easy as long as the movement isn't super complex. I definitely see these being usable at a 45-degree angle, maybe around like V4, maybe at the easiest. It can definitely be harder. But all these holds, really comfortable. Really nice radiuses on them. Some of the smaller ones are a little less than a pad. Some of the bigger ones are maybe like a pad and a half or so. So you got, some good stuff there. So I'm not going to waste too much more time. What we're going to do is we're going to set a boulder with them on the 30-degree wall. Now let's set boulder on the slab. All right, let's climb them, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so after climbing on them, texture feels really good. All the radius is really comfortable. These are not painful on your tendons. A lot of really comfortable grip positions here. Very versatile. I think this boulder could have been even steeper, setting the exact same holds, exact same setup, just tilt the wall a little bit steeper, and it would still work. They're really fun. They're really comfortable. Texture's really nice. You can check them out at catalystgrips.com. they're very reasonably priced. I think this set of 18 is like $112 off the top of my head. Could be wrong. To me, at least, for the size of these holds too, those larges are fairly big. $112 is pretty reasonable. Thanks for watching. We've got a lot more on the way. And again, we have the full review over on our Patreon. So give that a whirl. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.